Need funding for your business but can't qualify for a traditional loan? What if there was a way to access capital using your existing credit profile without giving up equity or putting up collateral? Today we're talking about credit card stacking. Welcome back. If you're an entrepreneur looking for creative funding solutions, this video is for you. Let's break down what credit card stacking is, how it works, and why many business owners use it to fuel growth. Credit card stacking is a funding strategy where entrepreneurs leverage multiple credit card approvals to access a larger pool of available credit. Instead of relying on a single credit card or loan, business owners strategically obtain several credit lines that can be used to fund business operations. Some common uses include marketing campaigns, inventory, purchases, equipment acquisition, hiring staff, working capital, business expansion. One of the biggest advantages is speed. Traditional business loans can take weeks or even months for approval. Credit card stacking often provides access to capital much faster. Another benefit is that many cards offer introductory 0% APR promotions, which can reduce borrowing costs during the introductory period. Business owners also appreciate that no collateral is typically required. However, there are important considerations. Credit card stacking should only be used by business owners who have a clear plan for repayment. Without proper financial management, carrying large balances can become expensive once promotional periods expire. Before pursuing this strategy, evaluate your credit score, monthly cash flow, debt repayment ability, business revenue projections, long-term funding needs. The goal isn't just to access money. The goal is to use funding strategically to create revenue-producing opportunities. Credit card stacking can be a powerful tool when used responsibly. For many entrepreneurs, it has helped bridge funding gaps, launch businesses, and support growth when traditional financing wasn't available. Remember, funding is only valuable if it helps you build a stronger, more profitable business. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your biggest business funding challenge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.